going to discuss about the natural resources that can be found in our community. But first, let us know what is a natural resource. Now, natural resource are the things that can be found in our nature. It exists naturally in our nature. There are types of natural resources: land resources, water resources, mineral resources, and forest resources. But today, we are going to tackle the three resources: the land resources, the water resources, and the mineral resources. But first, let us know what is that land resources. Land resources are the things that can be found on the land forms. It can be eaten and interchanged with other things in return, right? For example, the trees and its fruit. The fruit bearing of the trees, like mangoes, right? The rice and halamang ugat. I don't know the English term of halamang ugat, but there are also the fruits and vegetables that can be eaten, can be found on the land, right? And herbal medicines. Flowers, of course. We can get these land resources from the landforms, like mountains, terraces, and plateaus. Next is the water resources. What are these water resources? It is the resources that can be found on the water forms, like oceans, rivers, falls, and others. Other examples of water resources are fishes that can be found only in the oceans, right? And the corals. Without corals, the fishes won't be able to survive, right? The marine animals and the pearls that can be found on the clams. Very good. We can get these water resources from the water forms, as what I've said earlier. Let us now go on to mineral resources. What are these mineral resources? Mineral resources can be found on mines on the mountains or the underground mines. Yes. For example, the golds, the copper, the crystals, then diamonds, and the gems, like little gems. Yes, the brilliant diamonds. What if one day our natural resource will get to the point that it will be lessened and going to be extinct? Right? It's so sad that we are going to experience scarcity of these resources. But how can we maintain and protect these natural resources so that on our next generation we are able to pass on them? How? Do you have any idea? Yes, Lance? Okay, very good. We must protect and use them accordingly to our needs only. With the use of these resources, our dearest laborers are depending on their livelihood to them. For example, on the land resources, what occupation can we normally see? Like farmers, right? Without our farmers, we cannot able to sustain our needs, like rice, right? So we need to take care of our resources because we don't know if that resources might end up lacking, or we don't know the time. We can tell the time, right? So we must value them until it's there. I hope you learned something today, class.